Hello and welcome back to Android tutorials. And in this video, we are going to add the functionality of downloading the images from the Pixabay API, means our application, to the internal storage. And yes, we are going to save the image into the internal storage by using the runtime permission. So let's begin our today's video. But before that, I would like you to request about subscribe to our channel if you had forget to subscribe now. And we are going to add the animations after this video, means we are going to add the 3D effects, animation and many more in our application. So subscribe to our channel and watch this video completely to download the images from the API to internal storage. So as we are going to write and read the external storage, so we are going to add the permission for it. So add the write external storage permission and read external storage permission to write into the internal storage and in that. Now if you remember, add make you to write this API, these implementations in our build.gradle app level module. So we had completed this paging, runtime, Picasso, this Firebase UI, Recycler View, Card View, Android Core, Wally, and Glide, and Glide. Then this photo view and image slider. But one dependency is remaining, that is Dexter library. Yes, by using this we can ask the runtime permission without doing the many works. But by just writing some few steps, we will add the runtime permission in our application. So let's complete the download button first. So in our full screen activity, I would like to add a linear layout with ID linear, and then make it to the make photo view above this linear view so that we can able to show these two buttons. So here you can see that we can set this as a wallpaper and a download wallpaper. So for that, first we have to add its width to match parent, its height to be wrap content, and then we have to set its align parent bottom to be true, then set its orientation, that is horizontal. Okay, so this button we had implemented in our previous video for downloading the for setting the wallpaper. Now we are going to add the same button for downloading the wallpaper. So here we had given its ID to be download wallpaper, then we have its width of 0 dp and its weight to be 1, then give its margin, that is 5 dp, and then you have to write its height to be wrap content, its background will be gradient 1, then we have font family of that we are using, then we have text alignment to be centered, all caps to be true so that whatever we write we will get in the capital format, then its color is white and text size is 18 sp. So now it's time to add the on click listener on that. So for that I had written one method in our full screen activity, and in here you can see that button download wallpaper button is equal to find view by id r.id.download manage download wallpaper. So in that I had implemented on click listener, and then you can see that this is download wallpaper with this view. So now in our public void we will write a view and with the help of Dexter library. So to use this Dexter library we have to first make Dexter builder dot permission. So for that we had make with context this, then we have to add the permission for writing write external storage, then we have to add its listener, so new permission listener. So if permission is granted then we will do this functionality, if permission denied then we will do this step, and if permission is cancel once then we will do this, and after we have to check it and close that method. Now let me explain you about what if first time user cancel our request. So for that we will continue to permission request by applying permission token dot continue permission request. Then we have on permission denied method. So here we have to first write start a new intent for app extra package name. So this will generate one yellow warning. So for that we have to wrap it with surround it with this build.version.sdk is greater than or equal to 0, then we will start activity, otherwise we are going to make a toast that permission is denied. Then finally we come at the point where we want to download the wallpaper. So we are going to add download manager is equal to download manager, then we have to get system service of download service. Then this will only contain if the request is in the HTTP format or HTTPS format, then and then only it will download. So here we have uri.praise, our original URL, which is in the HTTPS format. So we can make it to URI and then we have to make a request. So here we had made the request of download manager dot request our URI. Then we had made subpath where we want to store. So we had written HD wallpapers, make a unique folder, and then in that we have to write system dot current time in milliseconds dot jpg file. So this will contain always a unique number. Then we have request.set destination in external public directory. This is important because in which directory we want to show. So here you can see that all these full files that you can see. So you are when you open your phone manager, then you will see this type of all these folders. So in the download folder we have to make this HD wallpaper. So here we will make it, and then here we got subpath. Then add the notification visibility to visibility visible notify completed, means download wallpaper is completed, then we will show it. Then finally enqueue the request by download manager and make text of downloading started. So by this way we are going to able the user to download our HD wallpapers which are loading from Pixabay API. So if you are really enjoyed this video, then please make sure you subscribe to our channel and don't miss any of this update. Now we are going to make some screenshots, some icons, and then add animation onboarding screen, and we will publish it also. So subscribe to our channel to don't miss this video. Thanks for watching.